just stay tuned. If we make like real bomb rings, then you have a surprise coming for each and every one of you.
Good morning. I just wanted to say that
Hey guys,
welcome back to our channel.
I'm Agrima.
And my name is Tanvi, and in this video we are going to be making
Clay rings. So without any further ado, let's do this.
So the clay that we are going to be using is this polymer clay. It's an oven baked clay. Make sure you buy an oven baked clay, otherwise some clays are also flammable and they might catch on fire when you put them in the oven. And this is not that expensive, and we will link this in the description below. And we got it from Amazon obviously, and look at the pretty colors.
So besides clay, you also need a few more things to get started with your clay rings. So the first thing is you need any sort of knife. I have this craft knife. I was lying in my house. Tanvi is using the knife that she has, and then you need something to roll. In Indian households we find belan, which is like the rolling pin, but I'm going to use this sketch pen, which is like a wide sketch pen, so you can also use this. And rest you can use a chopping board or like a straight platform. And you need to make sure that your hands and your surface is very clean so that your clay does not catch any dirt. So now you know all about all of this. Chalo, let's begin.
So for this video, I am going to follow Agrima, whatever she tells me to do, because I cannot do this. I'm already so nervous and I'm so excited about making these that I know I will screw it up. So I'm going to follow Guru Agrima in everything she does.
I'm legit having performance anxiety. I've watched like thousands of tutorials, but I still don't know how to, begin with the whole process. So I think the first thing that we need to do is cut the minimum amount of clay that you need and not waste all of it at once. So just cut like whichever color you need, and then we can start with the process.
Since we need a very minimal portion of the clay, I have cut this much clay.
What should I do next?
You have to knead it properly so as to make it, moldable. Like, does it make sense? What ring do you want to make? Let's
Just start with the basic.
Let's make the spiral one.
Spiral is basic.
Like this.
Okay.
Chalo. The first thing that
Do it with the belan first.
no belan. You have to roll as it. You have to make a snake.
Like this, my snake should look like this. I am so scared. I do not want to ruin this, and I already feel like I'm ruining it. Why are my spirals not visible?
Were we supposed to do it with like two?
Yes, I think you were supposed to do that with two.
Yeah, like this. Yeah, just fold it. Just make the snake and fold it into half. And then you can roll like this. So you measure it and then you can cut it from here. So wherever you want it to join, you can cut it from there.
Yeah, if I join it, my back looks really ugly.
Oopsie. You placed it.
Although the back is not pretty good, but the front is good.
When I look into her eyes, I see paradise.
So one tip that we came across right when we were doing it was that when we worked with dark green, our hands were all dirty with the color of dark green. So just make sure that when you use dark colors like black, dark green or blue, it depends from clay to clay. Maybe this clay has some defect, but just make sure that you go and wash your hands before using the light colors again.
I started shooting this video with wet hair and zero motivation. Now my hair are also dry and I'm like on cloud 9 of motivation because I loved making these rings. They turned out to be really beautiful, really aesthetic. Although they're not very hard, but they're not breakable, I would say, but they're not very hard also. So since the rings turned out to be pretty good and pretty beautiful, the surprise that we have for you is a giveaway. So we're going to have a giveaway from these rings that we made, and obviously since clay rings are so much in trend and they're so trendy, Y2K aesthetic, I think you all should enter the giveaway, and Agrima is going to tell us the rules of the giveaway.
So ever since the beginning of the video, I was so excited. Like, I was just praying that they turn out good so we could do this for you guys. So the rules are very, very simple. All you have to do to win 3 rings, we'll give 3 rings to 2 people. So all you have to do is you have to comment down below your Instagram handle. You should be following us on Instagram, and you have to comment 2 more things. There are 2 questions for you. The first one being, why do you want clay rings, and the other one being, why do you like watching our videos? Anything of that sort you can mention in the comments, and we'll randomly pick out 2 lucky winners, and we're gonna send 3 rings from me and 3 rings from Tanvi to 2 of you. So don't forget to comment down below and get a chance to win our clay rings for free.
So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notifications every time we make a post. Also follow us on Instagram so that you can see more details of the giveaway. And thank you for watching.